Hello and thank you for attending this brief Widget tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use the column of text widget. And starting from our blank home page, we're going to go to add a widget and we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose columns of text. Very handy widget. And as normal, put our title, our subtitle, and our list of items. Add a new list of item. Go here, we have put a title, main text, and we get to choose images. We can browse global media. Now we can start adding more images, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's do here. We're going to have to save it as we made an update. So anytime we make a change or an update, we have to save and update it. Okay, and text, title, main text. Let's go ahead and just add some global media library here. Let's add this one. Okay. And let's add a few more. Let's just go ahead and add one more. Okay. Now also too, we can see right here, it's our default there. We can align it to the left. We can align it to the right. You really see that on a desktop. See there, that's the desktop feature. Check this if you don't want to show an icon nor images. Okay. And this is where we could simply add a column of text. Save and update. Alright, let it update here really quick. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to have to, remember we want to add columns, so we're going to put another one. We add another one here. This will be our second title. Text, and let's go ahead and again we're gonna have to save that first. Save it first. Alrighty, as you start to see, second title, more text, and that's where I would simply, it'll start looking exactly like the one above. Maybe this one we want to put a house in there. Okay, if I want to use your own media library, browse it, or you can just drag them. We'll do this one here. Okay, so I will leave it at that. And we save and update. And now what you'll see is you can have an image, you can have multiple images, and you can have some text below it. Another column of text below it too as well. You can have that as well. So again, you're seeing what it's going to look like on your cell phone. Okay, so now let's go back to this widget. We like every there. Go back to the widget. And this is where we can now go in and adjust the list style and layout. So all in one row on a desktop. Or now this is where we start to really stand apart. We can put these in rows on now, obviously on mobile, or not obviously, but we're going to keep it at one column image. And now it'll look slightly different on your desktop as compared to your phone, which is exactly the way it's supposed to be. And that is yet another feature that makes Widget stand above the crowd. Thank you for viewing this brief tutorial on columns of text.